Hey there, food lovers! Have we got a chili surprise for you today? We created the coolest Blizzard Brownies ever. Want to know how to make this frozen treat? Grab your aprons, preheat those ovens, and let's get started. Before our brownie adventure, gather our delicious companions. Baking is not just about the result, it's about the journey, the process, and the joy of creating something delightful from scratch. So, let's ensure we have everything we need to make this experience as enjoyable and seamless as possible. Don't worry, we won't need anything too fancy. First, grab a notepad or your phone to jot down these essentials. It's always a good idea to have a list handy to ensure you don't miss out on key ingredients. Plus, it makes your shopping trip quicker and more efficient. Brownie mix. Your favorite brand will do. When it comes to brownie mix, choose a brand you love. Whether it's a classic favorite or a new one you want to try, the mix is the foundation of our delicious brownies. Look for one that promises a rich, fudgy texture for the best results. The ingredients listed on the brownie mix box, usually eggs, oil, and water, are the basics that will bring your brownie mix to life. Eggs add richness and structure, oil keeps the brownies moist, and water helps to blend everything smoothly. Make sure you have these staples in your kitchen. Vanilla ice cream, let's keep it classic, is the perfect companion to our warm, gooey brownies. Its creamy texture and sweet flavor create a delightful contrast. You can always experiment with other flavors, but vanilla is a timeless choice that never disappoints. And your favorite mix-ins, chocolate chips, cookie dough, sprinkles, go wild. This is where you can get creative. Mix-ins add an extra layer of fun and flavor to your brownies. Chocolate chips melt into gooey pockets of goodness, cookie dough adds a chewy surprise, and sprinkles bring a pop of color and crunch. Feel free to add nuts, marshmallows, or even a swirl of caramel or peanut butter. That's it. We believe in keeping things simple and delicious. A well-organized setup makes the baking process smoother and more enjoyable. Lay out all your ingredients and tools before you start. This way you can focus on the fun part, baking and creating. Now that we have our ingredients, let's start making the brownie base. The key to great brownies is using quality ingredients and taking care. So roll up your sleeves, preheat your oven, and let's begin this delicious journey. Fire up your oven and get it ready according to the instructions on your brownie mix box. The delicious aroma of freshly baked brownies is just around the corner. Grab your favorite baking pan and grease it well. We don't want any brownie casualties. Now let's mix our brownie batter. Grab your brownie mix and prepare for a delicious adventure. Blend the mix with the required ingredients from the package and enjoy the sweet aromas as you bake a decadent, fudgy treat. Remember, a little elbow grease never hurt anyone. Mix until everything is well combined and there are no more lumps. Now comes the fun part, creating the iconic Blizzard swirl. Imagine the rich, velvety brownie batter gliding through your fingers, the anticipation building with every swirl. It's not just about mixing ingredients, it's about creating an experience of pure joy and creativity in your kitchen. Pour half of your brownie batter into the prepared pan. Spread it evenly, covering every corner. This forms the base layer, the foundation of our Symphony of Sweetness. The smooth, glossy surface of the batter is like a blank canvas, ready to be transformed into a masterpiece. Now grab your vanilla ice cream and spoon dollops evenly over the brownie batter. Each scoop of ice cream is like a note in our symphony, adding a creamy, dreamy element to the rich chocolate base. The contrast between the ice cream and the warm brownie batter makes this dessert unique. Don't be afraid to get generous with the ice cream. The more, the merrier. This is your chance to indulge, let go of any reservations, and enjoy the process. The ice cream will melt into the brownie batter as it bakes, creating gooey, delicious goodness pockets. Once you've added the ice cream, gently swirl it into the brownie batter using a butter knife or toothpick. This step is crucial for creating that beautiful marbling effect. The swirls should be delicate, like the strokes of a painter's brush, blending the chocolate and vanilla in perfect harmony. This creates beautiful marbling. ensuring each bite is a burst of chocolate and vanilla. The marbled batter is as visually appealing as it is delicious, offering a symphony of sweetness that delights all your senses. Take your time and savor every bite. While the brownies are baking, let's make a simple yet scrumptious frosting. Combine powdered sugar, butter, and a splash of milk in a bowl. Beat until smooth and creamy. Now comes the fun part. Flavor. Add a teaspoon of vanilla extract for classic sweetness, or get adventurous with almond, mint, or even a dash of coffee extract. Remember, this is your culinary masterpiece. Our brownies are baked and cooled, and our frosting is ready. Now, let's assemble our Blizzard Brownie extravaganza. Frost the brownies generously, creating a smooth canvas for our Blizzard magic. Next, grab your chosen mix-ins. This is where your creativity knows no bounds. Sprinkle generously with chocolate chips, cookie dough pieces, chopped nuts, or anything your heart desires. We love adding a sprinkle of colorful sprinkles for that extra touch of fun. Our Blizzard brownies are almost ready for their grand debut. For the ultimate taste and texture, refrigerate them for about 30 minutes. This allows the flavors to meld and the brownies to firm up, ensuring a perfect bite every time. While our brownies are chilling, take this time to clean up your workstation. A clean kitchen equals a happy baker. The moment we've all been waiting for has arrived. It's time to indulge in our Blizzard brownie creations. Cut them into squares, grab a glass of cold milk, or maybe a scoop of ice cream, and savor every delicious bite. We hope you enjoyed this baking adventure as much as we did. Remember, baking is all about having fun and expressing your creativity in the kitchen. Get ready for an exhilarating flavor journey. Today, we're diving into the enchanting world of indulgent desserts with a delightful twist that will thrill your taste buds. Whether you're a baking pro or a curious novice, this recipe is a treat for everyone. Let's create something truly spectacular. We're about to make the ultimate Blizzard brownies. Imagine rich, fudgy brownies paired with smooth vanilla ice cream, plus a mix of delightful add-ins like crunchy nuts and gooey caramel. This isn't just a dessert, it's an experience. Imagine biting into rich, chocolatey brownies topped with creamy vanilla ice cream and your favorite mix-ins. The contrast of warm brownies and ice cream creates a delicious treat for any occasion. Ready to bake? Gather your ingredients: flour, sugar, cocoa powder, eggs, butter, and your favorite ice cream. Preheat the oven and let the magic begin. This is your chance to unleash your inner dessert artist. Feel free to get creative with mix-ins and toppings like crushed cookies or a drizzle of chocolate sauce. We'll guide you through each step, making baking fun and easy, whether you're a beginner or not. Remember, the most essential ingredient is love. Put your heart into it, and you'll create something special. Get ready for brownie bliss. Once your brownies are baked and cooled, add ice cream and mix-ins. Serve them up and impress your friends and family with these Blizzard brownies. You'll be the star of the show. Let's get baking and create unforgettable memories together. We'd love to see your brownie Blizzard masterpieces. Share photos of your creations on social media and tag us. We can't wait to see your unique twists. You can even share your masterpieces in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more delicious adventures, and ring the notification bell so you never miss a recipe. Thank you for watching and joining us on making the coolest Blizzard brownies ever. Until our next adventure, happy baking!